putting glasses on. Alright, welcome to Club Fish News on Sundays. Alright, let me do it. Alright, it's Sunday. I don't know if y'all trade on Sundays, but I be wanting to trade on Sunday. I be itching I be wanting to, but I just look at the markets and watch. I watched somebody today on live, and I think they lost like 500 or 600 or whatever. But you can always do good playing in sports terms, couch coach or Monday quarterback. When after the moves and everything happen, you can see how I line up. Because if you would have scalped it a little bit earlier, could have probably made about 500. While somebody in his chat had hit. So, but he did good though. He stuck to his strategy, stuck to his main thing, which I need to learn to do. But that's why I ain't talking or saying nothing, because I don't really know either. Anyway, let's get into it. Most of the people, they probably watching football or something right now, especially on Sunday. Football and all of that, but some of us got child support to pay, and US 30 gonna help. So we gonna be looking at this green candles monitoring while y'all looking at them green fields and they trucking along. You hear me? I ain't no guru or none of that. I haven't even got to pay out yet. So don't sit here and think you're going to get some great financial hit it out of home run park advice from this channel or me. It's just a community where everybody come together so we can help each other grow and just try to get there to them goals of consistent payouts. If you're trying to leave your 9 to 5, if you just want more freedom for your 9 to 5, if you just want some extra more cake on top of your 9 to 5, if you don't want a 9 to 5, you just want to go ahead and splurge out on your hobbies. All it is. That's all it is. But I don't got no rental Lambo to show you, bro. I don't got no mansion. I'm in the hotel right now from what my trucking company gave me. I've been in hotels for like the past month or so, whatever. So I live out of my truck. If I go home to my parents' crib, or me and my lady get a hotel or something like that. So I'm still trying to save to get a place. So I'm in the same spot as y'all. I don't got nothing. Don't let the glasses fool you. This ain't nothing. I don't even got that little jewelry with me on me. So that ain't nothing. I don't got nothing. Starting from the bottom just like you is. Literally. I haven't got to pay out yet. Blown hella accounts, don't want to blow no more. So starting today, Lord willing, in his name, seeking kingdom, that hey, we can get our first payout this week. Scale that up to about 2 payouts. Scale that up to about 2 or 3 accounts. Scale us up out of this 9 to 5 that we doing, so I could be a full-time day trader, which I would rather like to do right now. At least that's the season for it. Again, Lord willing, shout out to God. Seek heaven and the kingdom, everything else will come to you. Alright. Now, Wednesday coming up, Feds did sweep. They got their meeting coming out. So you already know how that go. That meeting from their split from 9/3 July meeting, something like that. So supposed to give a look into internal policy fights over interest rates and all of that. So yeah. So Wednesday afternoon, like I said, Feds this week. They're gonna be dropping their meeting minutes. Every little trading influencer, internet guru, day trading influencer, all them little scammers on there gonna be saying a whole bunch of big words, act like they know all this extra knowledge. They all gonna say the same exact thing, like they all sitting right next to Jeremy Powell, like they know what's going on and everything. They whispering right in his ear, and he whispering right in his ear after doing the, you know how he be looking sometimes. I'm just playing, Powell. Don't come after me. I don't got nothing. But they gonna use big paragraphs and big words, like they try to do for all of that, just to try to tell you your dollar is gonna buy less than what it did last week. So don't let the algorithms trap you up. In any case, breakout, because I like breakouts, but I just learned to visualize the charts, and what the charts give you, that's the setup and strategy you're gonna go with. So I don't try to force no setup strategies no more. That's how we do that. And then what other news we got going on? Let's see. Retail earnings. Walmart, Target, Home Depot, a massive wave of retail earnings hitting midweek to test U.S. consumer resilience. So sometime through the week this week, hopefully get a boost while you in the trade. That's gonna boost take you if you're in the buy. Take it down in the short if you in the cell. You already know how that go. That's how we want that bad boy to be. You already know. Ain't this much as business news, but a lot of denominator is whether, human beings can still afford groceries, I might have to get on EBT. Right now, I don't see like no shame. Shoot, I take that EBT. Rack up on a whole bunch of crab legs, shrimp, seafood. It's a Forex party over here. Tap in with that EBT. I use it better than Klarna. I can only think I can get Klarna right now. So, hey, that's gonna be on your American Consumer Report. Hold on the line for completely tapped out funds. I hope y'all can hear me because I got my mic sitting on my little Popeyes box because I don't got my stand right now. My other mic can't connect to this desk, so we gotta do what it do, baby. So I hope you can hear me. So we can do what it do, baby. Gotta make it do what it do, baby. If you trading gold, now I was watching, like I said, I was watching dude trading, and I was watching Nasdaq at first, but for my strat, I need to be looking around gold around about 839ish. Granted, I want to test Sunday, but I was like, you know what? Just let me look at the marks. Look at the charts. So I was watching somebody else trade. I think they was on the 5-minute or 1 minute. Either or, I just wanted to see like what was gonna do around the 9 o'clock, that 8:39ish, 9:15 range p.m. on a Sunday specifically, since ain't too many people going on right now, especially people I can actually help move the market too, compared to like when Monday comes, people are kind of treat it like a full work day, but it is what it is though. But yeah, gold was holding there about I think it said about 4.7, 4.8, 4.6% around that range, somewhere around that EST, somewhere around that range. So it was moving up, but might come back down later with all the oil and the war and all that crap. So always wait around 8:30 to see what's going on, or check whatever news filter you get your stuff from. That definitely help out and everything when it comes to that. But but it was going up for that time frame. But I was watching the whole time for the setup to actually see where it started at, closed, daily highs, and all that. So I don't really know to say too much what's really going on with all of that, to be honest with you. Definitely gonna be looking for indices. London session. Prop firm I'm using right now, we don't got DAX, so I might look at UK 6J 6B and gold for London. But my gold, the main strat I gotta wait for, so I can't do 3 o'clock. So 3 o'clock might be. Nah, I ain't doing 6J. I want to try a trend all day continuation with 6J. But I don't use that on another account. And I found some way where y'all can get some free accounts. Granted, you might have to do an activation fee after you pass, but you get the free account up front. I'm top one trader doing it. Blue Guardian, they got their little, I think $10, 5K instant account. Bridget Funding found them. Pep Dance, but I think Pep Dance used MTV5, and I don't know if we got MT5 in USA. Some brokers be saying that some props don't. I remember one time I was trading with somebody, I think IQ Capital, they just started, but they was on MT5. So, and I was trading on them for a little bit till they was like, hey, somewhere, some news I seen, you ain't supposed to be doing it. So I think I choose their platform. They trading platform that either they own or with somebody else, but it wasn't your normal trade, Locker, Trading View, Match Trader, all of them. I really like C Trader though. C Trader really be hitting, but yeah, Sunday, too much really popping going on. Shout out Diana Taurasi, she got her jersey retired. I know they ain't really no day trading news. GJ Slayers and the one dudes from Atlanta, the Ethiopian boys, what their name, J69 or something like that, or whatever. Their name is, they beefing, but I ain't even getting into all that extra little noise like that. But for this week, like I say, You look for currency and what Forex and all that. I really don't know too much. I really just mess with indices, bonds, metals. Um, if I got Forex account. So when I do Forex, it's still kind of just like futures. So I'm only doing Euro USD, GBP USD. What's the one for I think Canada got one, don't they? CAD USD. I forgot right now. I can't remember. But it's one of those two like that. Forex futures, options. To be honest, I'll say I really got an addiction with trading and be obsessed and just ready for the market. Like game day, pacing back and forth, can't go to sleep, just decided to trade, ready to trade. Options is gonna be way more worse because it's too easy. And granted, you be like, oh, it's so easy, why you ain't doing it? It's a slower grind, which I feel it's like medium reward, very low risk, or low reward, low risk. Like really, and then with binary funding, if you do options, I know they be like prop firms simulated and all that crap. Whatever, bro. Binary funding let you do 5 seconds. So when I saw 5 seconds expiration for a contract on options, oh my Moses! I said, all you gotta do is wait for it. New York session, London session, right at the beginning of Asian session, and you can just be clicking all day. Like Australia gonna go up at the beginning of Asian. I know a lot of people don't. It's on the bottom of my list, but I do it. HK50, NK225, those they be moving, especially if you doing 5 seconds. Soon as you don't, ain't no retesting the options. And since I like breakouts and scalping, and especially like hyper, I guess you could say since I'm a human I do it, but HFTX or HTX or whatever that junk is, but hyper scalping, wherever, in and out like within 30 seconds. Like I ain't even trying to be in a trade. Like now with my new strats, I gotta be patient. So I sit and look. So I don't got no choice. But when I get my money up and rack up and we get into my own broker account, then that's how you do it. Gonna run that jump right back up. But back to the options. Yeah, I do 5 seconds in and out. I think I did with $3, ran that bad boy up. Binary funding did it, had a $3 for 1,500 account. Ran that bad boy up, but it was just going up and down. And like I was like, oh, it's $3. And then when they be like, you gotta do like 14 days or 30 days for a payout or something for their rules, count me out, bro. I get less interested. Then sometimes when you get done blowing the accounts and you come down like, damn, if I would have just been messing around with that little 1K instant account or 5K instant account and collect that little 250 or 300, it'd be straight. But I think I got one with either Alpha Trader or Alpha Futures. One of them. I had like two of them, matter of fact. One of them I did, didn't even know. The other one just did it again because I was trying to show my girl how to get all the other little accounts and all that stuff for like cheap and free like that. Actually starting her journey. But anyway, dang, forgot what I was saying. Either way, yeah, I'm getting tired anyway. Still gotta do a 9 to 5, so. But waking up at London, well, I actually can't even wake up at London since we're in different time codes right now. But since we're in different time right now, I gotta wake up earlier just to be on East Coast time. So we gotta wake up early. Yeah, so I guess still 3 o'clock Eastern time. I don't know which asset or pair we're gonna do at 3, but I know what I'm doing. I am probably gonna do trade gold, and I know what time. But the slot is a little different than a 3, and I don't know if I want to do. I don't know. We might ORB or just be up there, but we'll be at 3. I don't know how long. Again, Wednesday, Fed's gonna do a sweep for their meeting. Gold is around 4.8 something yielding percent right now, so it's trying. That's about it for the upcoming week. Besides that, keep God, Jesus in your life. If you're not, and then all y'all YouTubers and day traders and influencer people that be trying to throw God in there, throw Jesus in there too. Why y'all only talk about God? How y'all forget and not never mention Jesus? And when you sit there and just only talk about God and don't mention Jesus, for some people it's like, hey, we don't know what God you actually talking about or worshiping or thinking, so we don't want to follow too much. So we gonna just look with like a glow torch. So speak about Jesus and more. Speak about G Easy. You feel me? You can speak about God. Speak about G Easy. Alright, that's little bro, big bro, whatever. I know I said little bro, I'm tripping. That's big bro. Big G, big bro. They're all connected. So, because one dude I be watching, well, another day trader, I guess you say they're influencers now, whatever. But another day trader I watched linked up with him, and then he come in my algorithm. But I only watched like 2 or 3 of his videos because it's like he's using God as his like as his crutch for the money or his success right now. I don't even really feel like he tried to do it with trading. He just God, but it's never Jesus. Never Jesus. So that just be my thing when people talk about God. I don't be wanting to follow their God. I don't know what God they talk about. So if they don't throw Jesus in there, hey, you already know. But that's the markets. Sunday will be, I guess, quick little update, conference update for the week. Like I say, on the news right now is the Fed's going to do a sweep on Wednesday. That's about it. So, peace. See y'all at the live. We will be live. I do got some merch coming. Yeah. Because I ain't selling no courses. I don't feel right. So I ain't selling no courses. I don't got no courses to sell. I like clothes, so let me throw some logos on some clothes. Yeah, and even when I make it, I'll just do some giveaways and like be like the dope boys and give turkeys away on Thanksgiving and stuff like that. But I don't got no course to sell, so free 99. I do got a Discord up. I do want to tweak it a little bit. I don't know what's going on with the streaming and all that stuff. I got a Telegram going up. I put it like this is just for everybody in the community to help everybody else out. I'm not going to sit here and be like, yo, these signals going up. I don't do that. For one, even though I want help and everything from the community, when it comes to actually pushing the button, taking the trade, that risk is all you. I don't want nobody coming back and be like, oh, Big Push said do this and like this trade. Or I sit there and be like, man, I was listening to such and such and I took that trade and lost. Like, nah. So we're just here to help each other out. But you got to push that button. You got to feel what you think you can risk. You got to feel your tolerance if you want to set and forget or if you just want to look at the screen all day. I'm going to look at the screen type of day all day. Hey, I just rather look at the screen. I can sit there and drive a steering wheel on a truck and a semi-truck between lines all day. I can look at some candles, go between lines all day, range. When it's in that range, we support and resistance, time lunch a little strategy. We're going to buy at the top. No, we're going to sell it. When it's at the bottom, we hitting buy. And when it get up there, we're going to hit sell. And when it get up there, we're going to hit sell. When it come down here, we're going to hit buy. Support and resistance, floor, ceiling. When it get up there, wait for it to trickle down a little bit, sell. When it come back down to here, you go hit buy, because it's going to go up. That's just how that little strat goes. So you just find your time window with that little strat. But, yeah. Anyway, I'm rambling. Club Push Sunday night news. I get a better little schedule. I got the signals, the Telegram. I got a Discord. It need to be tweaked, all that, because I don't know too much about Discord, how it works. So we'll figure that out as we go. Let's go. New trader in town. But I'm starting here literally from the bottom. I'm not cover videos, go away for 2 years, come back, balling all of a sudden. Like, yeah, man, this is how you do it. Get my course for $99.99. Nah, I'm starting literally with y'all with zero. I try to clear my phone and all that stuff to start this new journey and everything, and new community and channel and all that stuff, so we can have evidence up. So I got a couple pictures of me with my blown accounts. I can't show you a payout because I never got a payout. All I do is get the funded. When I get the funded, I get right to profit target. I get emotional trading. My brain don't even think about a strategy time or wherever it's at. All my brain be like, oh, $200? I can get that right now. Click. Oh, $20? I can get that right now. Click. Oh, $100? I can get that right now. Click. Listen to how many other times it closed. $50? Oh, I can get that right now. Click. Literally. I even got past the account, got the funded, pulled over, start trading, blew it. So I passed the account same day, got funded same day, blew the funded account same day. So hey, I'm literally here with y'all. So whatever they say or anything, it is not real. Anything you see over here on my channel, there'll be props because I don't got it. Over there, it might be rented because at this point I don't even know if they got it unless they selling the course or something. And then when you do buy the course, you gotta buy some other junk to get in it, or you gotta buy the course and let me do such and such and deposit $100 into my broker or prop firm, and they don't even use that broker or prop firm. So it's like, bro, like that junk is draining and exhausting. But is what it is. Take my trader glasses, specs off, and I see y'all in the morning on London. You feel me? We're gonna try to have this channel updated with something every day. Sunday, try to be in some nightly news going on. We'll get it flowing better. Y'all look out for the pod on Saturday, Room Club Push. Monday through Friday, we trading. I want to be a full-time day trader, so Monday, Friday, we trading. I have a better consistency. I don't have consistency every day, but on time scheduling, consistency will be better once we're done trucking and out the semi-truck, because semi-truck driving and trading, it's a lot. On top of the stressing of trucking, on top of the excitement I have for trading, where it's time to get rest. I can't get rest because I'm excited to trade. And if I lose a trade or a blow account, then I'm sad when I was already sad when driving. So it's a big roller coaster these past 4 months, but I've been doing it every single. Out of 4 months, I probably took like 2 or 3 weeks off. That's like mental weeks off. And one of the weeks I didn't have a blown account. I just wanted to keep that account. I didn't want to lose no money, even though I eventually ended up doing that though. So they all say that's a part of the game, but the one thing they say that's a part of the game, they be like, yeah, it'll take years and all that gets to the point. I'm a big believer. Ain't gonna be no years to get to that point, Lord willing. So just want y'all to enjoy the journey. Y'all hit the community. Let's all go up. Big push, Room Club Push. We out.